Hello everyone, welcome back to Shortcode. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the random module in Python. This module is built into Python, so you won't have to install it with pip. The random module is very useful because it allows us to generate random numbers and data. So let's get right into it. So first off, let's import random, so import random. Now let's generate a random floating point number between 1 and 10. For this we use random.uniform. Let's just create a variable, so x equals random.uniform between 1 and 10. Print x. And then we get a random floating point number between 1 and 10. And this first number is inclusive, but the second number isn't inclusive. This means we could get a 1, but we could never get a 10. So this generates a random floating point number between 1 and 10. Now let's talk about generating a random integer. So to do this, we do random.randint. So random.randint. And we'll get 3. And run it a few more times. 3, 2, 8, 6, 1, 1, 6, 1, 6, 1, 5. So this time, the first parameter is inclusive, and so is the second parameter. So they're both inclusive. What about if we want only the first one to be inclusive and the second one to be exclusive? Well, we can use randrange. And this is literally the same as random.randin, apart from the second parameter is exclusive, so you could never land a 10. It would always be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. If you're enjoying the video so far, be sure to give it a like, it really does help me out. Anyway, we can also get a random item from a list. So we'll just create a new list, so I don't know, x equals, just some numbers. It doesn't have to be numbers, it could be strings, whatever. And then we'd use y equals random.choice, choice x, which is the list, and then print y. 23, so as you can see it's chosen this item, Now we can do a random choice more than once in one line with random choices. And the first parameter should be our list, which in our case is x. And the second parameter will be our k value, which is how many times it wants to run the random.choice. So we'll set that to 10. And then we'll print it, so run it. And as you can see, we've got a list of 10 values that have been randomly chosen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And these are all random items from the list. And it returns a list. And then we could also obviously just grab the index, which is 2, 3, 4, 5. We can also mix up the order of the list using random.shuffle. We don't need to set it to a variable. We can just do random.shuffle x. So this will mix up the list, and then we'll just print out x. As you can see, this right here is different to this right here, because it's being shuffled. Okay, that's pretty much it for the random module. If you found this video useful, please do drop a like, it really does help me out. Also consider subscribing, I post Python content almost every day. That's it from me, cheers and goodbye.